Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box. So this is the one that I subscribed to just recently. So I will show you what everything is in my box. But let's get started. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. This is the little placards. So I don't know if it has a theme to it. So let's glow. Oh, it's not the, it doesn't have the theme to it. It does have the limited edition fragrance box. So there's that. Has the little booklet. Oh. So this is the little booklet. So inside it tells you like the prices and everything. This is what it looks like. All the products that are inside your box, and it tells you where to buy them, the price of it, and there you go. And there you have it. This is what it looks like. And yeah, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. If I can do this. So that's what it looks like. That's everything inside. So yeah. So the first product in my box is the Size Up Mascara Immediate Supersized Volume Extra Large. Oh, I think immediate. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can take it out. Where's that booklet? Oh, right here. It's 1.5 grams or 0.05 ounces. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a black little tube. And then when you open it up, and that's the bristles on the brush. And then this is, does it have the price of this one on here? Okay, so the retail price is $13, and it is 0.47 ounces, and this is from, the brand is Sephora. So this is from Sephora. There's that. The next one I got is the Denisa Myricks, I think pronouncing it correctly, Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blowing Balm Powder Glow Lighter. So this is what it looks like. And then finger, so you use this, you tap on with your finger or brush to face, eye, or lip. Okay. Powder with soft matte color that subtly highlights and blurs for a natural lifted glow. So I haven't opened any of this stuff up, so so it is in the shade Bothered. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And then, I don't know how to open this up from here. Oh, maybe it said, oh, it's, you turn it, you don't, okay. So, this is what it looks like. That's the shade. I will review of like all these products, what I think of them. And then this next one, oh, the Denisa Myrix one. How much is that? So this retails $25 for 21 ounces, and this is full size. Yep, this is full size. So this is 0.21 ounces. So yeah. So the next one that I got is the Picante blush color. So I've never heard of this brand before. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, so this is the brush. I don't know how, you know. Oh, comes off. So this comes off of this, and then you just dipped it in and put on your face. The brush is very soft. And then, assuming you dress this up, how do you open? How do you get? Oh, you turn this. Okay. And this is in shade Picante, a multitasking balm to create a soft cheek, blush, and creamy lip for an easy all-over face natural look. Okay. Okay. And this cost, where is it? In here. The next product is the Belief Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. So this is what it looks like, the packaging. To use after cleansing and toning, apply 2 to 3 drops onto the face, spread gently, and pat until fully absorbed. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. Oh, and it has this little pumper thing. And this cost, so the full size product is 50 milligrams. And, no, not milligrams, milliliters, and it costs $38. This has 10 milliliters. This is 10 milliliters, so this is what it looks like, and it's 10 milliliters with a product in here. The next one I got is the Versed Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream, and it has green tea extract and aloe leaf juice, and it's 2 fluence ounces or 60 milliliters. And this is what it looks like. And it's made for all skin types. It's a light jelly-like moisturizer that keeps the bounce in your skin. How to smooth a peanut-sized amount into skin. And it's for morning and night after cleansing and applying serums. So this is after you apply your, after you do your cleansing and apply your serums, you put this on. So does it have a smell to it, like a scent? I don't know, but I would have to try. But yeah. And then this cost $14.99 for 60 milliliters, which is, this is full size of a product, and you can buy this at firstskin.com. I'll let you know where to buy all these stuff. So my next item in my box is the Skin Fix Barrier, the triple lipid collagen eye treatment, and you gently apply to the delicate under eye area, brow bone, and the eyelids. And this is Skin Fix Barrier Plus. This is what it looks like. You open it up, and then this is what the product looks like. When you open it up, I don't know if you can see that. And then you open this up, and then it would be like a liquid, or like a, heard of this brand before, and I'm excited to try this. Some of these brands I never heard. The Skin Fix Triple Lipid Eye Treatment, which is this, it's $54 for 15 ml, and this is a full size, and you can buy this at Skin Fix. And then Glow Recipe, the Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm, Plump and Moisturize. This is what it looks like. I have tried a couple products from Glow Recipe, their cleanser, their toner. Basically, I pretty much I love their products. So when I saw this, I'm like, ooh, can't wait to try this. I haven't tried any of this. I haven't tried this product yet, so, or any of their lip balms. So this is what it looks like. It's just kind of like a plum. That's what it looks like. But the toner does smell like watermelon, and then their cleanser that I used does smell like blueberries. So it does smell like plums. This is what it looks like. Oh, yeah, and it smells really good. It really does. Try this. So this product costs $22 for 15 ml, and this is full size. Please give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the Allure Beauty Box. Let me know if you would get it, and thank you for watching. Bye.